Good morning, first class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So, the children, this is your 7th chapter from English grammar, articles a, am, and the. A and the you already read in your previous classes, but today I will explain you in a more better way. A, an, and the are called articles. We call them articles. Just suppose a boy eats an orange. A boy means any boy. An orange means any orange. I saw the boy. The boy means a particular boy. Now let's see how to use a and an. A is used before a singular noun or countable noun. Countable noun are those nouns which we can count, and you already read in your previous chapter. A is used before a singular noun or countable noun. It is used before the word starting with the consonant of sounds of consonant. So as you know that there are 26 letters in your English alphabet, and the 21 are consonant sound and the 5s are vowels. Vowels are just A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are called vowels, and rest of the letters like ba, ka, da, fa, ga or others, these are consonant. So consonants are 21 and the vowels are only 5 in the English alphabet. So it is used before the words starting with the sound of consonant. So यानी हम उसके जो भी कॉन्सोनेंट जो भी नाउन्स कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से स्टार्ट होते हैं उनके आगे हम आ का यूज़ करते हैं. जस्ट सपोज काउ. सो बिफोर काउ वी यूज आ काउ. बुक is starting with the consonant book. So before book we use a. And is used before the singular noun or countable noun, the same, but it is used before the word starting with the sound of vowels. But it is used before the starting with the sound of vowels. यानी and हम यूज़ करते हैं जब भी कोई नाउन जो होता है वो ई ओ आ से शुरू होता है. जस्ट सपोज एप्पल. A is a vowel, so before it we use an. Orange. O is a vowel, so we use an before it. Those are indicate the singular things. We use both in the singular noun, a and an. Now come forward. Use of the. The is used before a particular noun, singular or plural. So the is used for the particular noun. Just suppose river. River is a particular noun, so we cannot say a river. Mountain. We cannot say a mountain. So always we use before them the river, the mountain. Whether river is in a plural noun or in singular noun. If the river, we use the before that. If it is rivers, then we also use the before the rivers. So we never use a or an before the particular noun. द का यूज़ हम जो किसी भी नाउन में हम तब करेंगे जबकि जैसे रिवर्स है, माउंटेन्स है, फेमस बिल्डिंग्स हैं, इनके जैसे द फेमस बिल्डिंग जस्ट लाइक ताजमहल. सो वी कैन नॉट से आ ताजमहल, वी ऑलवेज से द ताजमहल. River, whether is river, we use the before that. Whether if the rivers, then we also use the before the rivers. So whether is a singular or plural, चाहे वो singular में हो चाहे वो plural में हो, but we use before it the. And for the first time we use a or an before a noun, but after that we use the before the same noun. Just suppose here a boy means any boy. I saw the boy, because here we don't use a before the boy, we use the before the boy, because here we are talking about a particular boy. When a boy, it means any boy, and orange, it means any orange, but the boy, it means here we are talking about a particular person. So here that's why we use the before the boy. Just look, example for the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the Hindustan Times, etc. So the is also used with earth, moon, sky, sea, ocean, sun. So from these nouns we always use before the. So the children's, the chapter is over here, and this is exercise for you. Take the correct answer, multiple choice question. To show one indefinite thing, person or animal, we use only a, only an, or only a or an both. So because we use a or an for the singular noun, so we use a or an both. Indefinite things. Which of the following correct? A ostrich is wrong, because it should be an ostrich. An orange, yes, it is correct, because O is starting with the vowel and we use an before the vowel, those nouns which we are start with the vowels. So an. And capsicum, because it's a consonant sound, so it here should be a. So it is also wrong. So this one is correct. I read dash Bible. So the, a, and, because Bible is a holy book and we use before the. Is a we here we are talking about a particular book, name of a book, Bible. So we use the here. So the children, this is enough for today, and the next exercise we will do in the next class. Till then, bye, take care.